Hello everyone. Today we will see how to make the PowerPoint slides using Android phone. So first you have to go for Play Store of your mobile. Then here you have to type slides. So you have to download one app, that is Slides. So you will get Google Slides. So I have already installed this app, so I will directly open that app. On the right hand side you will get plus sign. Click on that sign. In that you can choose new PowerPoint file. So here is your first slide of your presentation. So you have to double tap to add the title. So you can give the title. PPT presentation. So you can make this text, or you can give the different effect to this text. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can make it underlined, or you can choose the different colors for this text. You can add the subtitle also. First presentation, and you can give the different effects to this subtitle also. So if you want to add the more slides, you can click on this plus sign on the right hand side. You will get the different slide formats here. You can choose as per your requirement. So this second slide is added now. You can add the slides as per your requirement. So here you can add the slides by using this plus sign. If you want to present the PPT to a meeting, you can choose that option, or if you want to present that PPT in the scheduled meeting, you have to schedule that PPT. Here in your PPT you can add the comment or text or image, or any shape you can add. For example, I will add here one shape. Okay, so like this, by using the different options, we can make our PowerPoint slide. So you can add image, you can add text box, you can add shape or line, table as per your requirement. Here you can change the theme. Whatever theme you want, you can choose from here. So these are the different themes which are available. You can choose any theme that you want. So I am choosing this theme blue and gold. So that theme is applied. Yes, here I have this theme for all the slides. So like this we can make the PowerPoint slides by using Android phone. And finally you have to save your presentation or your slides. You can choose in a device or on